In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluestacks app player not opening. If Bluestacks app player isn't opening, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So here are some solutions that you can try out. The first thing on our list would be to disable Hyper-V. If Hyper-V is enabled on your PC, it might prevent Bluestacks from launching. You can either disable Hyper-V or install the game on an updated version of Bluestacks that supports Hyper-V. Number 2, update Bluestacks. Launch Bluestacks and click on the settings icon, check for updates, and install any available updates. Additionally, ensure that your graphics and drivers are up to date. Number 3, check Windows features. Go to the Start button and search for Turn Windows features on or off. Enable the Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform features if they are not already enabled. Now, the fourth thing that you can do is to restart your system. Sometimes a simple system restart can resolve the issues with Bluestacks not opening. The fifth on our list would be to repair system image files. Corrupted system files can cause various issues. Use the System File Checker tool to scan and repair any corrupted system image files. And the last thing that you can do is to force stop apps. Navigate to Settings, go to Apps in Bluestacks, and locate the problematic app from All Apps list and click on it. Click on the Force Stop button. Now restart Bluestacks and try relaunching the app again. Remember to take note of any error message you encounter during the troubleshooting process. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.